So this is the UPR Catch can install on 2018 F150. Have the hose coming off the PCV there, coming to the catch can, mounts to the battery box. I just drilled a hole in the battery box. I use the Allen key to hold the bolt from the bottom side, and then I use my socket on the top side. I believe it was an 11mm. And then coming out of the catch can, you have the longest hose, you have the one-way check valve, and then it goes down to the intake down there. And then on the driver's side, you have the CSS, which was called the clean side separator. And again, PCV valve goes to the intake there. And that's it. Pretty simple.